Skill of the week. Now, you just went through functional gestures, so I don't know if you want to go through it again or if you want to pick another one.
Nah, I want to pick another one.
Okay, so David is going through his chart, and while he's doing that, let's just say this new segment, Skill of the Week. Try this skill. We're going to pull one skill out of the 110-step skills chart every week. Try it in your next presentation and watch the difference.
Okay, I'm going to go a little bit theme-based here, because last time we went with sound effects by hand. This time we're going to go by sound effect by mouth. Woo. So, well, yes, that's the one. Yeah, okay. This is again, I do this, meetings, presentations, everyday conversation. Can't stop doing it. Love it. And it's such a mood heightener and emphasizer, accentuator. Okay, so the way you go is you have your hand and you're going to portray that a chart goes up. So we have Q1 and it's going to now grow on your PowerPoint. And instead of just you going with your hand, going up with your hand, if you're listening to this, I just moved my hand from the bottom to the top. But instead of just moving it, you go, whew, right? And then for the Q2, you go, whew. And Q3, you go, whew. And then Q4, you go, was Q4 better? I think it was. Let's see it. Whoa, whoa, woof. Oh my God, that was better. Woo! And it's just playful. I love it. And when you do, we've got an increase, we've got a decrease. We had three things. Boom, boom, boom. Just play with like what naturally would have come out of you, but so many people resist in doing this. You should see, this is so much fun when I do this for like the top management in the biggest stock exchange companies, like who turn over billions and billions. These suit-dressed people, I've got 8 of them in my room. There's CEOs, there's CFOs, CTOs, and so on. And I go like, well, you're now going to present the quarterly reports with sound effects. And they're like, what? And it's such out of their nature. And then we do it, and it just instantly becomes so much better. They have so much more fun. And some of them keep on using it, but they think it's out of their culture, and people wouldn't expect that from them.
I can see that a lot of people are not using sound effects.
Yeah.
And I can see how this will feel awkward.
Yeah.
But I can also see it from a perspective point of view where a person, if you are not using sound effects today, and then suddenly in your next presentation you start using them, people will just, whoa, what happened?
Yeah.
It will be such a contrast to what you've been doing before. So
it's almost like a power move.
Yeah. So you will definitely see a difference.
Yeah.
Yes.
You're so confident, you can do sound effects.
Yeah.
It's a power move.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. All right.
Cool.